Of the hook from the harsh reality of COVID-19, President Uhuru Kenyatta has maintained that a lot remains to be done, adding that the government is contemplating on new measures in curbing the virus. Mumbi Chege has more.
The coronavirus has continued to prompt the government to enforce unprecedented strict measures on Kenyans. President Kenyatta in his State of the Union address emphasizing that more needs to be done.
That we must not succumb to COVID fatigue. We must not backtrack from our vigilant fight against this pandemic. And on our part, as leaders, our stamina for discipline must not diminish. If the people fall short of giving their best at this time, we, the leaders, have no option but to give our all.
The government is already laying recovery plans to revamp the economic sector by hiring 5,000 health workers and 11,000 interns and support teachers. It further plans to create 100,000 job opportunities for the youth.
Besides implementing a subsidized farm input scheme for vulnerable households, and parts of the resource allocated will be utilized on the ongoing fabrication of 250,000 school desks crafted by local artisans. Mr. Speakers, despite the very difficult times that we have faced as a nation, our people have remained resilient.
Among the interventions already in place to cushion Kenyans from the coronavirus include the reduction of VAT from 16% to 14%, 100% tax relief of all persons earning up to 24,000 shillings, 6 billion shillings from the Universal Healthcare Coverage Kitty to be appropriated for the recruitment of additional health workers, reduction of pay as you earn from 30% to 25%, increasing demand for local goods and services, securing household food security for low-income earners.
However, when it became apparent that the COVID-19 pandemic threatened to erode the significant economic gains we had made in 2019 and preceding years, on the 25th of March 2020, I did announce state interventions to cushion Kenyans against adverse economic effects of COVID-19 pandemic that warranted the national exchequer to forego taxes amounting to Kenya shillings 176 billion.
Kenya has so far recorded a total of 66,723 new cases after 919 tested positive on Thursday, 23 succumbing to the virus. Mumbi Chege, TV 47.
Now, members of parliament who attended today's State of the Nation address have lauded the president's speech.